Hey guys, welcome to my first video on this channel. So yeah, this is where I'm going to be posting random PvP stuff. As you can probably tell, I've been streaming recently, and I appreciate those who came out. Yeah. So I'm just going to be doing, keyboard and mouse sounds, because I can't be bothered doing anything else. And I just want to get some editing practice, and, I want to know what you guys want to see on this channel. If you want stuff like keyboard and mouse sounds or just PvP montages and stuff like that, let me know. Let me know what you specifically want, because I'm open to pretty much anything. Anyway, let's get right into it.
Shit slaps, no koofy. Do it for the love like Lucy. Rocks Lucy, get an independent bitch, no boozy. I don't got free time, but I got groupies. And I'm choose me, frugally with the pussy. And the coochie, coochie with the booty. Yellow suits me, Bruce Lee with the Lucy. Yeah, shorty, stop asking my age. You gon' fuck me anyway. In the morning when it's day. I ain't even make you come. My sex game is only ice. Said you don't eat meat. I think we fucking up your diet. Spend the night at the high. You think about how we just met. It's only weird if you're silent. I only touch if you're compliant. Cause I am not the type to bite. That was random. The sun makes me go on tangents. My mind makes me go on planets. Still gonna earth like granite. Some shit I say is outlandish. Only cause I've been to Atlantis. And y'all niggas ain't that deep. My price goes up with the beats. So y'all niggas ain't gon' sleep. The rest of us rest in peace. bases Kenny Lofton. Sunning all these niggas often and put them up for adoption. Hey, hey, yo, passenger side of your best friend's ride ass nigga. Holding on to your pride ass nigga. Chicken jive ass nigga. Next week it's the fries ass nigga. Access denied ass nigga. Trick love the kids, slip and slide ass nigga. Lion King with Fossa falling off the cliff. Admit that you cried ass nigga. Well, that part was kinda sad though. I definitely cried during that. Fuck. This feels like some like Cowboy Bebop, like Spike in space, fucking bounty hunter shit. You know that episode when he like fucking, he fought that like floating dude with all the guns and shit and he almost died? It was like in this like weird like world and shit. Yeah, this feels like that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 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 etc. Swing on the track like I'm Federer. Look, I'm already ahead of you. You should accept that I'm better, bro. I ain't come weak with this shit since my ex-girlfriend Deborah. Since Miley Cyrus was Hannah, I keep it lit on Botanica. Got the spirit of an animal. Take a picture with your camera. I'ma last long, I got stamina. Y'all niggas stretching the truth like Luffy. My shit slaps no koofy. Do it for the love like Lucy. Rocks Ducey. Got an independent bitch, no boozy. I don't got free time, but I got groupies. And I'm choose me frugally with the pussy. And the coochie with the booty. Yellow suits me, Bruce Lee with the loose leaf. Yeah, sure, stop asking my age. You gon' fuck me anyway. In the morning when I stay. I ain't even make you come. My sex game is only high. Since you don't eat meat, you think we fucking up your diet. Spend the night at the height. To think about how we just met. It's only weird to get silent. I only touch if you're compliant. Cause I am not the type to bite. That was random. The sun makes me go on tangents. My mind makes me go on planets. Still down to earth like granite. Some shit I say is outlandish. Only cause I've been to Atlantis. And y'all niggas ain't that deep. My price goes up with the beat. So y'all niggas ain't gonna sleep. If you rest in peace. Hey.